What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy pesto recipes. 3 because it's nice to have some variation, and easy because anything that's not easy is above my pay grade. The first variation is going to be just a traditional basil pesto, and for this first one we're just going to add 2 cups of fresh basil leaves to our food processor and 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts. We're going to pulse that several times. Next we're going to add a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Romano cheese and 3 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to pulse that together. Next we're going to add our olive oil, and for that we're going to stream it in, meaning we're going to let the food processor run, and as it's running we're going to slowly add it in. This will help the olive oil emulsify and keep the olive oil from separating. If you need to, you can stop to scrape down the sides of the food processor, and we're also going to add in some salt and pepper to taste. And that's it for the first pesto recipe. For pesto number 2, we're going to add a little bit of sun-dried tomato to the mix, and we're also going to use a mix of basil and parsley. And so we're going to add 1 cup of basil and 1 cup of parsley to our food processor, 1/3 cup of pine nuts. We're going to pulse that. Next we're going to add our Romano cheese, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and about a 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to pulse that up. Next we're going to stream in our olive oil. And voila, there's pesto number 2. For pesto number 3, we are going to sub walnuts for the pine nuts, and we're going to use arugula as our green. And so no basil this time. We're going to use 2 cups of arugula and 1/3 of a cup of walnuts. We're going to pulse that. We're going to next add our 1/2 cup of Romano cheese and our 3 cloves of minced garlic. Pulse that together. And as before, we'll stream in our 1/2 cup of olive oil. And there you go, 3 different pestos. Try them out. Let us know which one's your favorite in the comments. Mine was the one with the sun-dried tomatoes. And if you want to pick up any Primal Kitchen olive oil, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com. Use the code HELLO20 and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching everybody, and I will see you next time.